Stop being cheap with your payments. Go on and pay up. So I was reading something early today that I found really interesting. So if you've been online the last, I don't know, 10 years at least, and you have been working towards building your dream life, even if you've been online in the last year, there's a lot of talk about manifestation and the process to manifesting, and people are just giving so many of their personal examples of them having successfully experiencing the power of manifestation. And although I wholeheartedly like I use that word, or I think I more so have been experiencing closer to what quantum leaping is described to be. Okay, so quantum leaping essentially is saying like you are living on a specific timeline, and your habits and what you do on a day-to-day basis determines which timeline you're on. But if you want to leap theoretically into another timeline, you obviously have to do something different. But when you are conditioned to think the same way, you have the same religion, you're around the same people, you go to the same job, and your limit is capped, you're likely going to always stay on this timeline. But if you want to change in any of those areas, nothing is wrong with any of them. But if you want to change and you want to build a richer life in any of those areas, you're going to have to make different choices. So, like, when it's simplified like that, it's kind of obvious, right? Like, duh, if I want change, I got to make a change. But it's not so simple. You see, a lot of people are lacking one of the most important fees necessary to change their life, not realizing that the fee is so like the fee is available to everyone. The costs can be paid by any and everyone, and it's accessible to everyone, including you. And it's just a two payment plan. It's just a two payment plan if you want to quantum leap, or like some people use the term manifest. If you are interested in doing either of those things to build a rich life on purpose, mentally, physically, spiritually, or financially, I'm going to tell you what that cost is. If you're new here, thank you so much for joining me. On my channel, we talk about mindset mastery so that we can actually transform our lives to get the fulfillment out of this life. So if you're interested, please, I would truly appreciate it if you just click the button and subscribe. It just takes a little moment and it means the world to me. All right, so what's the fee necessary to quantum leap to a timeline that you desire? Simple. The first payment is your belief, and the second payment is your action on said belief. Your belief is payment number one. Your action on that belief is payment number two. So it's not actually paying with money that was created by mankind. It's in the mind, in the heart. Who are you from finish to start? Who do you become? That's the question. I can't think of nothing around a question. No, but in all seriousness, it's literally that. You don't even have to believe in the entire picture. You have a dream, out of this world dream. You just need to believe that you can take the next step. You just need to believe in it enough to take one step. That's it. Oversimplified when we say it, absolutely. Doable, absolutely. If there's someone who has a similar background to you in any way, I feel like that removes 99.9% of our excuses. But we're not going to compare. Pull it back. I'm going to pull it back. Belief. Let's start with belief. Okay, so for one, you have the idea, and you just need to believe in it enough to take the action. Do you have to know how exactly it's going to pan out? No, because for one, you won't be able to even predict it, because nothing will ever pan out perfectly. It will always be completely different than what you presume. Likely better. Hopefully better. But you will never know unless you do the second part, which is take an action. I know if you're a procrastinator, if you are overthinking, overanalyzing, and you are literally paralyzed from your own thoughts, you are so highly intelligent, intuitive. You know why it wouldn't work. You cannot think of a way this would work, but you're overthinking your own dream out of your mind. which means you're likely fearful. You're full of fear because you know so many things. You know it all. You think you know it all, and you're letting that fear lead you. Or if you're just someone that I don't know what to do, there's too many options out here. I need some guidance. There's so much uproar online. Everyone's talking about personal development. And that's kind of makes sense to the times that we are in, because you can't rely on the external anymore. You have to come back to self. And you're going to feel lonely if you're on this journey and the people around you aren't themselves on a journey or something similar as well. And so we look for these online communities. We look for things to connect us. We look for more understanding. We are seeking the wisdom. We are looking for someone who has done what we're trying to do, looking for people who have initiated their own quantum leaps, their own transformation in unbelievable circumstances with everyday life packed on top. It sounds unreasonable. It sounds impossible. But guess what? We don't care how it sounds. We don't care what it sounds like, because that's your current self hearing it and believing is unreachable. Believing is impossible. Your current version of you, the one that hasn't taken any action on their belief, can never and would never comprehend what the version of you that believes and takes action does. Ever, ever, ever. So don't try to understand with who you are now. You have to believe something different so you can take action on it. Okay, so you know how we get spam mail, spam, I don't even say spam emails. You sign up for something, they sold your stuff off, and whoever it is, they are sending you emails back to back to back to back over and over. You didn't even know about this thing, but you have gotten so many emails that now that thought of whatever they're advertising is at the forefront of your mind. You like, yeah, what's that company? Timu got the whole email looking like Timu has your email box looking like a whole casino. Crazy. Multiple times a day. They're just spamming your email over and over. And you know about it. You can take action on it or not. But the thing is, you know about it and it's at the forefront of your thought. You're going to have to spam your mind with your own belief and your own action on a day-to-day basis. If you've punked out before, if you've quit on yourself before, this is the beginning of something new for you. The only difference from before when you quit and now is I'm going to remind you that the reason it never worked before is because you weren't the person who you needed to be, even with just a small belief in the small action. That's why. No shade. You weren't her, but you can become her now by saying and doing, I believe I am her, therefore I am her. And whatever that means for you, that's what you do. And you spam it over and over and over over those thoughts. You're going to override those thoughts. You're going to override that want to procrastinate and do nothing and dilly dally to the last minute. You're going to have to overcome all of the fear that ensues your body that you just know for a fact is going to come true. All the fear that you've been leading with, you're going to have to lay it down. You're going to have to lay it down. There's no way you can move forward with that. And if you are just confused about what it is you're supposed to be doing, stop looking at all of the options. Make a decision. And I know I sound like I'm oversimplifying it, but you have to be reminded of the simple things, because the simple things add up, and the adding up multiplies, and the multiplication exponentially grows. Okay. That's the point. If you want to think about it in the opposite, if you think about your worst case scenarios and how often they've come true after you had the thought, and then how it just keeps getting worse and worse for you, imagine if you just flipped that belief and took action on it, how amazing it would be. Ask yourself, how good can it get? Like how you like food, how you like whatever, whoever you like. Think about your life like that. It's delicious. It's delicious. Scrumdiddlyumptious. Why? Because I believe it is. Just like you can have reviews on a restaurant, you were like, you had an amazing experience, but everyone else says it's trash. It's your taste buds that you going to satisfy, no one else's. And I know that's hard when we think that all of these other things are priorities. Yes, I know you have to pay your bills. Yes, I know you have to take care of the kids. Yes, I know you have to satisfy this so you can get your next degree. Yes, I know you need to make sure you tithe or whatever it is that you do to make sure that you feel as though you're a good human being. But if you continue to put yourself on the back burner and never prioritize you, who's going to benefit from that? You're going to get older and you're going to grow more and more resentful to the people and the things that you put before yourself. You're going to regret the things that you didn't try. If you're already older, it's not too late. You still have breath in your body. That's the first most important signal that you have the capacity. Does it mean I'm telling you to go skydiving? No. But there's something you want to do that requires you to simply pay a nominal fee of belief followed up with action. Not all of the action, not all of the steps, just a mustard seed amount of belief that leads you to the action you need to take. And you spam it over and over again. You just keep bringing it to the forefront of your mind. Every 24 hours after you did it once, you do it tomorrow. It has worked for me. It's why this is video number 103, I think, in 103 days. This is why I lost 50 pounds. This is why I've sent out 52 plus Saturday newsletters. This works for so many people. When I published my daughter's book, I was using my iPad because my computer broke down. I did not give myself an excuse. Yes, I know it's an iPad. It's not like I was using the community library computer, but still, I'm just saying everyone has an excuse. But I want you to believe in what it is you're after. Follow that up with action, and I want you to spam that by keeping it in the forefront of your mind because you're doing it every day, despite your feelings, despite the fact that you don't feel like doing it. Let me tell you, I didn't feel like coming out. It's past 8 p.m. right now. I didn't feel like, oh, wait, but I'm the person that does. So I'm here. Okay. All right. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I really do hope the person that needs to hear this in whatever stage of your life you are in and you're ready to just make that change and experience the quantum leap in different areas of your life so that you can truly build a rich life on purpose. I'm not talking about woo-woo. I'm just using those terms to express what it's like in the 3D reality. And if you do believe in it, like I do, in that reality as well. When you combine them, you will leap. If you don't combine them and you focus on one, you can still leap. It's not exclusive. You have access to your next level. Pay the fees, which is your belief, followed by your action. I need you to pay the fees. Stop being cheap. Stop being cheap with the fees for accessibility. You already have the access to your dream life. Stop being cheap with your payments. Go on and pay up. Belief followed by action over and over again. Belief followed by action over and over again. It doesn't have to be the whole thing. Enough to get you going today and tomorrow another one. Okay? This is not overnight. We're building brick by brick. Okay? All right, thank you so much for watching today's video. If you're interested in building momentum in your life, be sure to check the links in the description. I created the Start Before You're Ready 7-day challenge, free, guided by me, so that you can just get a jump start on building momentum in one area of your life for 7 days. I guide you. You're going to focus. You're going to feel so accomplished at the end of those 7 days. You're going to want to do it for 100 days. And if you're interested and ready to build even more momentum and go deeper, I created the 100 days 1U guide, workbook, tracker, all the things that I use to lose 50 pounds, build a business, sit here in front of you right now recording over 103 videos in 103 days and so many other things that I have used to transform my life and to actually experience my own quantum leap. So if you're interested, check the links in the description. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Spivey J, and I hope you have a beautiful day. All right, peace.